Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing very well. Today in this video, I bring some latest collection of beautifully designed Ikebana floral arrangements to make your home decorations more beautiful and decorative, and creating plenty of these ideas in your different places or corners of your house. You can make your home decorations more beautiful. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love all these ideas and would love to create them. In this video, I bring some eye-catching ideas of beautiful Ikebana floral arrangements. It is a combination of both Ikebana and Moribana flower arrangements that could make your home decorations more beautiful by using different colorful flower arrangements according to your own taste, likings, or requirements. You can adds up more beauty by adding some customizations according to your requirements to these sort of ideas, or picking up any one of them to make your home decorations more beautiful. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, you can pick up any idea from this video to make your decorative arrangements, whether it can be for your simplest home decorations, or you can create some party decoration ideas, or event organizers. You can create these sort of ideas by combining it with some customizations to make your parties you want to be arranged in your house, inside or outside. You can create these sort of ideas. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request, you can mention it in the comment section. I will work on it. And if you have any queries, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your queries in it. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like my ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel, and it also encourages me to bring some creative ideas for you. So viewers, I hope you will enjoy this video. Keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.